Okay, these are these tunnels. I'm gonna talk about this in a minute, so just stay tuned. It's kind of interesting, I think. Chiquinha, Chiquinha. Let's go check out the road. Chiquinha. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, yeah, so there's these two tunnels. They're gonna go through Coloane, and then there's like a factory over here. I'm not really sure what this is all about. Give a little context. Cotai strip is over there, so there's Grand Lisboa Palace. And then there's all these little cranes over here. So yeah, we'll see. Looks like they're gonna build a major road. So those little tunnels are gonna go through it. And then you can see all the construction. So they're also building this road right here that's gonna be coming from who knows where. But we're gonna have all this captured, right? So this is all the construction part. And then that way I kind of like to document stuff on this channel, because some days it'll all be different and then we can see exactly what this is all about. So anyways, let's see if we can stand back a little bit. Get more perspective. So yeah, that's all this construction right here, the tunnel, and yeah, interesting. Anyways, interesting stuff about Macau. Let's end it right there. And that's the name of that street right there. Rua Central Terminal de Coloane, and there's the factory back there as well. And that's the side of our tunnel right there. So we're just kind of filming that street so you can kind of see the name of the street and what it looks like.